Like I said, I've been there.
Relax. Go over there now. Sit tight. What's going on?
That's the man you got to talk to.
You need to talk to me. This is who we're going to talk to.
Well, alright. Well, the man was obviously acting a little out there.
Obviously, I wasn't here, so I don't know.
Yeah.
So why don't you tell me what's
I'm
going
still
on?
just trying to find my baggage.
Why don't you tell me what's going on?
And then after we got off the ground, because, like, you know, we don't really need to be doing this right here.
Control 131. I'm 1025. You can slow anybody down from now.
And they're still talking shit. It's just like, dude, stop talking shit.
Just tell me what the issue is.
That's what I'm saying. The issue is obviously two males butting heads.
Okay.
That's
so
the
did
issue.
he get physical at any point?
No.
Did he put his hands on you? Did you put your hands on him?
Nah, And that's where it gets all f***ed up. Do you want to go through the cameras?
Oh, we will, yeah.
We'll go through the cameras and you tell me what happened.
But I'm trying to get what give you an
Go
opportunity
through
to
the
tell me
cameras,
what's
you gotta
going on.
hold me, you just hold me.
Where's the other hand? This guy.
It really is no big deal.
Well, it is because we were called that you guys got into a fight, so that's what we're here for. And since you won't say yes or no that it got physical or not, I'm going to assume that
It's
it
not
did.
physical.
Okay, so why can't you
There's
just tell
no
me that?
physical.
Were you involved with him?
Yes.
What happened?
So I was standing here waiting for this guy. So he came up next to me. I was talking on the phone. He goes, boo. Like, he scares me. So I look at him and he comes back and he's like, I like you. So he comes up. I'm like, stay away. Stay away. So I've had a long day. I've been up since 5. I'm tired. So he comes here and he starts slamming his chest into me.
Okay.
Like going like that. So I push him away. Get the away. And he's like, I like you, sir. Coming close. I'm not going to lie. It's not like I swung at him, I like tapped his face, because if I wanted to swing, I would have hurt him, but I don't want to. I can tell he's drunk. I work in a restaurant, I can tell when people are drunk. He came up to me and he's like, boo, I like that. So I swung. I didn't do anything. He was on the floor and I'm like, stay away from me.
Okay.
So he came up and he started following me, then look, he puts me in shit. And I'm like, you know what? I go down on the floor with him and I'm waiting for him. I let him cuff me and choke me, waiting for him to see what he does. And I even told the guy, let the police come. Call security. There was a guy holding my glasses and my phone. I'm like, call security, call the police. I don't want to deal with it.
Okay.
I'm just here to pick my friend up from the airport. I'm tired. I got a shift at 6 a.m. Like, I'm trying to go home and get some, sleep.
So he chest bumped you to start all this?
No, first he came and scared me.
Okay.
And then he's like, I like you.
No, but the physical.
Yes, he came up to me first. I didn't go and touch him.
Chest bump.
Yeah.
Do you want to press charges?
I mean, he's drunk. Like, I don't want to take it to court and stuff like that, but...
Control 21. Can you copy a flood 29?
Like, look, I'm...
No, I got it. Do you need medical?
Nah, I'm good.
How much you had to drink tonight?
2 shots, Jack.
On the plane?
Yeah.
Where's the plane coming from?
She came from Chicago.
So what started the argument?
To be honest, I'm not for sure.
Okay.
Really not for sure why that guy was in my life.
Okay.
But then all of a sudden it got to get on there and he's like, well...
Was it over a bag, or were you guys standing too close to each other? Like,
You're going to ask him. I'm going to let it all go there and let my lawyer take it from there.
well, that doesn't make sense. But okay.
Yeah, well, that's just the way it goes with lawyers.
For a verbal
That's the way it
argument.
goes in.
Awesome if you took this guy to jail.
That's the way it goes.
He was harassing him all the time. He started it, and the other guy.
He's just like...
Apparently, you can't control your.
So here's them starting.
That's probably part of the issue.
They were both places for about several minutes.
I'm very...
So, did you see the whole thing then?
So it started over there.
They just both arguing with each other, or
He was stirring, and then dude tried to get him away from him.
He kept pushing him. I see that.
Yeah, and he kept antagonizing, and that's when everything kind of took off.
All right. Thanks, hey, Billy here.
They are. They're not controlling.
Didn't get physical, huh? So you're a liar too, aren't you?
I just seen them argue, and I figured I'd start recording.
Third floor.
It's kind.
Where's your what flight did you come in on?
It's not even a fight.
What flight did you come in on?
Oh, it's from Chicago.
Which one, American?
Southwest.
Southwest?
Yep.
So what are you doing over here?
I'm trying to find my luggage. And also
You're not even close. You're on the
calling
other
my
side.
sister at the same time. I'm just
Do me
trying
a
to
favor.
walk.
Do me a favor. Let me have your backpack. Take your backpack off. Hold on real quick. Thanks. Turn around real quick. Put your hands behind your back. You're not under arrest for anything at this time, but I'm going to detain you, okay? You guys know each other? No. Hang on. Hang tight.
But I've trained with some of the best.
All right. Have a seat. I don't want you to fall down. That's the only reason I'm
I'm not
detaining
gonna.
you.
Alright,
Listen.
alright.
Obviously, there was a physical fight between the two of you. I'm trying to figure out exactly what was going on.
It's not physical.
It was 100% physical. She's got
That's
a video.
not a fight.
Bro, she's got a video.
That's not a fight. You see how calm it was?
Calm?
Look at it. Watch it. Just watch it.
Buddy.
There was no elbow or fist thrown.
Really?
Yeah. There wasn't an elbow or fist.
I'll stand with her.
Please proceed to the Blue Express arrivals curve to be.
How old are you?
38.
Oh, okay. Where are you from?
At this point, I'm from Tampa.
Are you just moving here?
No, I lived here.
Oh. Where'd you used to live?
Wisconsin.
Oh. How long have you lived down here?
Ooh, couple years.
You like it?
I love it. I'm a road guy. I'm construction.
Oh, you work construction? What kind?
It's really any kind of renovation I can do.
Like
You know,
home, concrete,
home,
framing,
home, Home. Don't tear home apart.
Yeah.
I'm really curious about what he's saying. He's thinking I was in a brawl.
He'll be over here in a
Like,
minute.
that stuff's not a brawl.
They'll be over here in a minute.
That's
and talk to you.
minor stuff.
They'll be over here and talk to you in a minute.
There's no fist. If I was throwing fists, that dude wouldn't have been down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's not what you don't just define what physical is.
No,
maybe
physical has been defined by human nature.
maybe it could have been more physical, but it was still physical.
No, I just want.
They saw video
I
of
want
it.
a creation of what should have been and what shouldn't have been.
Yeah. They watched a video of it, so they know.
I know you guys do a good job on your behalf, but
Yeah.
he's placing it on a physical. That's a wrestling.
He didn't say that. Physical's wrestling.
The dude was on top of me. What the am I supposed to do?
I'm not sure. We'll find out.
He's lucky I didn't grab his Adam's apple.
Yeah.
His eyeball.
Yeah?
No
Yeah.
We're in a terminal.
Yeah.
If we were out there in the street, his eyeballs would have been gone.
Yeah.
You don't put me on the ground, I'm gonna like, oh, I'm just gonna stay here to see what happens.
Yep. All right.
I was working up in North Carolina
Okay.
with a boss of mine.
Okay.
And he gave me a ride up to Norfolk, and I caught the flight out here. I had a couple drinks along the way.
It's fine. Nothing wrong with that.
And I got here, and I don't know what this guy wanted to tangle with, but as you can see the video, I'm on the bottom.
I saw it.
I'm on the
That's
bottom.
what I'm trying to figure out right now, but I know you were talking.
I figure shit out on the bottom.
Hold on. Because
It doesn't matter. I know.
have a video. And I
You
didn't did I
said
say anything
video,
about
and
you?
I'm defending
Did I
myself
say
on the
anything
video.
about
I'm
you?
saying you have a
Hey,
video.
Stop talking. Not your turn. Did I say you're under arrest right now?
No.
No, I didn't. So why are you trying to escalate it to get to that point?
Because I want to go home.
Well, you ain't going home right now. We're trying to figure this out. You know better.
Yeah, I do.
Because it seems like this ain't your first rodeo.
And it's stupid.
It is stupid. So why are you doing it in a public place? Because you've been drinking.
He grabbed me.
Okay, well,
And I just wanna
got
put him in
video.
his
We gotta
place.
look at the video. Well,
The guy shouldn't have grabbed me.
okay, but did you end up putting him in his place?
Not actually.
didn't
I
work.
Because he's still.
Well, we're looking at video. We'll see what's going on. All right, so you're gonna go for disorderly intoxication.
You gonna lock me up?
Yeah, for disorderly intoxication. Okay, because you disrupted business here. Obviously, you're boozed up. The battery, there's not gonna be a battery. Okay. You go with that?
So I gotta see a judge to get out.
You'll see a judge, first appearance, they'll give you bond, you'll be out.
Let's go. somebody up in there.
I don't think you're gonna do that either. I don't think. Hey, listen, I wouldn't go in with the
I'm telling
mentality
you,
like that.
it's f***ed up. I'm going in there and I'm probably not getting out.
Justin,
I'm just telling you your words.
I would assure you the deputies.
You
are
are being
I'm not. Hey,
bothering
listen.
me up.
We're not.
Yeah, you are. Come on. Let's
Justin,
go.
sit down.
Let's go.
Sit down.
Sit.
Let's go.
Sit down.
He's a big guy, Justin.
Let's go.
Sit down.
Sit.
Let's go.
Sit. Justin, sit. Sit.
Billy.
Let's go.
All right. You know what? Don't worry.
We're going to the
Send him
police
over real
station.
quick. Send him over real
Why
quick.
do we-
Send him over. Let me
why
lock
are
him.
we
Let me lock
down?
these up.
Okay.
Why are we wrestling you now?
Because we're not ready for you to go yet, Justin. And you're not listening to
You
us.
want to lock me up?
Is this your sister calling right now?
There's probably nobody calling.
There's somebody calling you. Your phone's ringing.
Huh? He's going.
Let's go.
Hey. Let's step it up.
Yeah, big bird. We got fucking troubles over here. Oh, Keon. Then why isn't he locked up if he's punching me?
Because you started it and he had the
Did
right
you
to
just-
defend himself.
did you
Come
say
here. Where do you want him? Over here. Tony.
You just say he was punching
Lean
me?
up against the truck.
Oh, this would be good for. This would be good. He was punching me in my face.
forward, buddy. It's a good thing you're not going to jail for battery then, isn't
So
it?
you said he was punching. Why would I get a battery charge if he was punching me in my face? If he flopped me on my face and punching me, why am I going to jail? I'm glad I got
Part of
this.
your problem is you don't know when to
I'm
shut
glad it's recorded.
up. It is 100%
You think I give a? I'm not a bad guy.
You're not a bad guy. Nobody said you were a bad guy.
This is
You
where
just make
this.
dumb decisions. That's it.
That's true.
That's true, right? Stand up against the car, please. I want to hold.
All right.
I'm gonna make big decisions, but I don't know.
Do you want your jacket to go? It's hot as junk out here. You want your jacket to stay here or go?
Whatever's gotta get thrown away, throw it away.
It's not getting thrown away. We keep it in our arresting property for you. You can come back and get it. Okay?
And a lot of money on me.
All right, we're going to get it.
And I want it counted in front of me. I'm not kidding.
Look, have you ever been to jail?
Yeah?
Have you ever been in the chair
Yeah,
in
but
Pillsbury County?
No?
Don't get yourself in the chair, okay? It's uncomfortable. It doesn't feel good. They'll leave you there for a couple hours. So just when you get there, mind your P's and Q's. See first appearance for the judge, and you'll be out. Okay? All you got charged with is.
So I gotta.
Hey, look at me. All you're getting charged with is disorderly intoxication. It's a misdemeanor. Don't
So
make it any
what?
worse. Disorderly intoxication? It's being drunk in a public place and causing a disturbance. It's a misdemeanor. Okay?
Yeah, but it's my name in the database.
Justin, it's nothing. It's a
Why don't I
misdemeanor.
get it
Okay?
for killing somebody?
No, let's not talk about it. All right. Hey, good luck. Okay?
I appreciate you trying. You are a nice person.
Lady, listen, we all make mistakes, and all you did was drink a little too much. That's it. Okay? You're good. How much money was there again? 3,500. 3,501.